What's up, my fruity cutie with the booty? My name is Jeanette, also known as Ms.FitVegan. Today we're going to get into a dressing. So we're going to have a Caesar dressing. This is my favorite recipe. I used to make this with nutritional yeast. It's not necessary. Okay, so first things first, we're going to do cashews. Now, for y'all that get a little cray-cray, yeah, cashews are not like the healthiest nut ever. So you can definitely do sunflower seeds. You can do sesame seeds. In fact, you know what? I think I'm going to do sesame seeds actually. Yeah, I've been having cashews for the last few nights. So listen, have cashews if you want, because that's the best. But you can also use sunflower seeds, and that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to do sunflower seeds. You can also use sesame seeds. Okay, I'm going to do 1/4 of a cup. So maybe a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, so 1/4 cup. Next, we're going to put in special secret ingredients, capers. Okay, that's really going to give it a nice Caesar dressing taste. Now, something else I really like to do is put in some nori sheets, 1 or 2 nori sheets. I don't have that today, so I'm going to put in some dulse. I get this from a website called Real Raw Food. It gives it a really salty flavor, and I actually have to fill up my little thing. So I get it from, I think it's called Real Raw Foods, and it's from Canada. Organic dulse flakes, wild, from Canada. Oh, funny. It actually has the phone number on here. I like companies that put their phone numbers on things. That's pretty cool. Okay. That's cool. Okay, next. So what do we have? We have a nut or seed. We have capers. We have dulse. I like to put a little bit of Dijon mustard. I'm running low. So hopefully that's good enough. What else is in this amazing dressing? Okay, lemon. I personally don't have a lemon, so I'm going to do lime. Okay, because my lemon looks a little, I got to go shopping. It looks a little old. We're going to do lime. Okay. And last but not least ingredient is going to be garlic. So let's get the garlic from the fridge, which is obviously so crucial. You can put many other things in here. All right. If you want, you can put smoked paprika in here. You can put red pepper chili flakes in here. I might do that. But this is the basic recipe. Now, you can also, if you want to put zucchini in here to cut down on less fucking nuts or whatever. Honestly, I know this is not going to taste as good as it does with cashews. So you know what I'm going to do? I just have to put a few. I have to put a few because I need it creamy and delicious. All right, one more ingredient. So somebody write these down below. One last ingredient is going to be a date, something sweet. So either maple syrup or a date. And now, I got these dates from Algeria. Okay, I got them on Amazon. And they are so good. I am sure of it. I don't usually eat dates, but I had to try one. Quality purposes, I had to test it for, quality purposes only. All right, and that's it. Now, if you didn't want to, if you didn't want to use any nuts or seeds, you could potentially use an avocado. Potentially, but I don't know about that. Some of y'all get a little cray-cray with the nut or seed thing. You don't want to consume fat, but it just don't make no sense. It just don't make no sense. Trust me. The fat is not making you fat. You know what's making you fat? You're not moving your body, and you're eating the wrong things, and you're eating really late at night, and you're not moving your body. I'm putting in a little celery too to make it a little salty. All right, guys. So now let's put in some water. Not too much. Not too much. Okay, let's get my blender, the blade. Okay, and this is one of the best things that I own, which is how I make my dressing. And we are going to now put you up here. Oh, I gotta throw out that base to my juicer because I don't have that juicer anymore. It broke. Oh, I forgot. Okay. So here we go. I gotta plug it in, and I'm gonna mute you. Don't worry. Don't you worry, boo-boo. Oh, it's already plugged in. Okay, let me mute yo ass. Give it a second. Hold on. Okay, as you can see, I obviously need more water, but it's a really good idea to always add less water than you think you'll need, because if you add too much water, you can never ever undo that. Same with the smoothies, same with nice cream, same with dressings. It's probably a good idea to follow a recipe. I don't do that personally, but that's probably a good idea, but I don't. Oh. All right, that looks good. Now let's all see the situation. Okay, looks good. Let me try it. It's good. It's really, really, really good. The sesame seeds need to be blended a lot longer than the cashews. Just a heads up on that. You can soak them, I guess, to make it easier to blend. Oh my God, it's so good. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna put this over a bed of lots of greens. I got cucumbers. I got lots of stuff. I'm gonna also put an avocado in there, and it's gonna be amazing. So that's my Caesar salad recipe. If you like this recipe, you should check out my free book. I'll leave the link below, and it's over 100 free recipes that you will love. And I made a mess as usual, but that's okay. I'm also gonna spiralize some zucchini, throw that on top. It's gonna be amazing. I'll probably take a photo and maybe do a reel. Oh Lord, I gotta clean this up. Love you guys so much. And I'm going to be doing a lot more recipes. Simple, easy, and delicious. And if you like recipes, give this a thumbs up. And I'll do a lot more. Okay, love you. Bye.